1, go!
Three high-performing teams on the field each put up a show in their first match. Let's see what happens here. Bare Metal whiffs on their second cube attempt. IRS seems to do the same. 3663 gets up on the charge station for blue, and that will be the only charge station robot in this match. 33-12 on the scoreboard as drivers take the control. CPR and Bare Metal fighting over the same game piece. Neither of them get it, and they both head back to their respective loading zones. Meanwhile, 1318 able to grab a cone and put that in position for blue. 5 more points. Here comes Pronto, 3070, up and over the charge station, but the impact loses the cone. They'll have to try again. Bare Metal 2046 drops a cone for red for 5 points, and this looks already like it's going to be an extremely high-scoring match. 53-26 already on the board. Still a minute and 40 seconds to play. CPR and IRS back in tandem. IRS loses grip of their cone, but it falls nicely into the lower row for 2 good points. Now their traffic jam in the blue loading zone is all 3 robots trying to be there at the same time. They manage to sort themselves out. Bare Metal 2046 taking advantage of the cubes on the field and put 5 points on the board for red. 8896 Wolf Tech Robotics, wrong place at the wrong time as they find themselves in the community. Now IRS and Bare Metal bump ways, making their way back. 3268 the Valhalla bots spinning around in the blue loading zone. Now they manage to get themselves free and out of harm's way as they do their best to slow down the blue scoring effort. Under a minute to play, 107-59. Blue Alliance may be working on a high score here. Still having trouble, the Valhalla bots staying out of that blue loading zone. Referees waving their flags to indicate some concern, and they will sort it all out as the match comes to a conclusion. Bare Metal now caught up with Team Pronto, and 3070 is slowing down 2046 in a way we don't see very often. Now Bare Metal able to get back into their community. But as the only robot doing the scoring for red, they've got a big uphill battle. Train whistle is sounded, 30 seconds, now 20 left to play. 2 blue robots already up and docked on the charge station. 8896 Wolf Tech trying to get up for red. Now they make their way off. 10 seconds remaining as 1318 and 2046 say hello in the middle of the field. Each manages to drop 1 more game piece as the buzzer sounds. And match number 6 ends for good. Looks to be a high score for our Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance takes all 4 rank points. And early on in the competition, we see 1318 in the number 1 spot, CPR at number 3, and Pronto at number 8. More robot action on your way up next.